trying to make this sit on my shoulder. Okay. Sit on my shoulder. No.
Hi guys! We are as usual on the way to our next location, but this time, for the first time, we're going on a holiday! Not a
Yes.
staycation. We are stepping out of Chennai, going to a cute little hill station called Yelagiri. I know you guys must be thinking Yelagiri, there might not be much to do, but keep watching the video. There's a lot to do in Yelagiri. We've actually been there twice before, just in a very short span, because we just enjoy the place. It's not too far from Chennai. It's only like a good 3.5 hours to 4 hours drive, which is very doable. So the entire drive up the hill is not so bad. Pleasant weather in the hill station. And we have a surprise guest for this video. Keep watching.
There she is in the background. And she has finally joined us.
I'm seeing her after
Like a year? More than a year.
More than a year. So guys, we have been stopping every
200 meters.
Basically, we started at 12. We stopped for lunch. We stopped for 3 coffees.
One toilet break.
And
we're
we're
still
1.5 away from
exactly. So we are taking this trip really slow.
really slow. We actually got a call from the hotel and they're like,
Are you guys even coming?
It's like 2 o'clock is supposed to be check-in time and we are at what, 4 o'clock already? 4:30 already and we still aren't there.
Hopefully we'll reach there before it gets dark.
And our room is still there.
Now see if we are still reaching. Why are we in some village?
I think Google Map happened and I think we missed one turn. Today we came from a different route because we had to pick up Sashika. So we had to use Google Maps and then completely got lost.
We're still reaching. We'll be there. We did get an opportunity to get inside one really cute village, which I like. Finally, we are going up the hill. Yay! Thank God it's not dark yet, so we can actually see the view and enjoy it. We have finally arrived. We made it before it got dark. We are here. Yay! I'm very excited about this place because it's Aqua Stay. So I don't know what that really means.
There's a fish tank inside the room. I mean, when we saw the photos,
The pictures,
that's what
yeah.
it was.
Exactly. So
Let's just see if that's true or just a promotional gimmick. We are in the room now, our stuff is here. Muzna is raising her hand, she's dancing.
And we love it. It looks better in person than in pictures.
It's a nice big room. There's a separate bed for me and that's the bed that these ladies will take along with the boy Lukman.
No, the boy likes that bed. The boy is there.
Do you want to sleep in this bed or that bed? We have settled down in the resort. It's a beautiful place. We have just come out for a nice long walk. We have ordered some pizzas. They have pizzas here. So this place is called Aqua Stay. It's a new venture by the same people who made Fundera. And tomorrow we'll be going to the Fundera Park, which is a beautiful bird park.
waiting for our pizza. We are just chilling. My son is playing with the fishies. Mama fish.
I wanted to introduce Sashika to you. So Sashika is a famous Instagrammer and she's been doing pretty well in this space and a lot of good content that she creates. How many followers do you have, Sashika?
Been blessed with 20k followers. It's I do love my Instagram family. They're like so caring, so loving.
So guys, now we're going to enjoy our pizza. We will catch you tomorrow morning. Hi guys, it's early the next morning, which
It is
means...
not early the next morning, it's afternoon.
Okay, it's 1 p.m. Yeah, so we slept a lot.
This bed is
Yeah, this is the room that we are staying in. So it's a nice room. Beautiful fig tree. I want to say something.
Now we're going to see birdies.
We are all ready.
Yes.
We're going to see birdies today. At 1:45 p.m. we have decided that it's time for us to step out to see the birds at Fundera Bird Park. We are staying at Fundera Aqua Stay. How excited are you, Lukman?
And 1, 2, 3 are tickets.
1, 2, 3, excited.
I want to see the bunny house.
Lukman! Are you excited? What baby, you want to get out, darling? Hello. Hello. I don't have food for you. Hi.
Jessica! Come.
I'm coming, baby. This is coffee.
Here.
Orange. See how beautiful that orange color is. We are inside now, and as you can see, Percy was enjoying his company with the birdies. Do you have a name? Huh? Do you have a name?
That's it. So you can see there are two parrots which are feeding. It's a lovely experience to have parrots in your palm feeding off seeds. So Lukman played with rabbits, he played with hamsters, chicks, ducks. He had a good time and he's enjoying it. Trying to make this sit on my shoulder. Okay, sit on my shoulder. Lukman!
Baby is riding on a dino, baby dino.
We are done with the bird park. We had a lovely time. Fundera is a nice place. They have shifted their location to a different place.
So I think it happened during Corona, so they're still sort of setting up the place.
Place that you guys should visit. You should
Definitely a
support.
place for your kids
Birds
to come
coming
and
here. It's a nice
interact.
petting park. It's close to 6 p.m. We have finished lunch. We are actually going to the lake.
So
what do you think of this park?
I think it's very, very beautiful. It's so nice to see so many trees. They've made the entire park around the lake and the tree, and it's really beautiful.
I'm going on the boat.
I am a little scared.
But it's a rowboat, so we are not going to do anything. We are just going to go sit and have fun.
I'm trusting Tasi because I don't know how to swim.
If anyone is falling in the water, I will jump and I'll save.
Percy, you'll save us.
Yes, one at a time. I can't save 3 people at the same time. We are in the boat now, and there's Sashika in the back, and Muzna is screaming.
No, let's get out of here.
They are panicking because
None of us, I mean, I don't know how to swim.
I'm the only one who knows to swim, and my skills are debatable.
And I'm just smiling for the camera.
We are at this restaurant called Hotel Nigris. It is right next to Fundera Aqua Park. Beautiful place. It's a new place. This wasn't there the last time we came. So it's a very, very new place, and they've done it up so well. We had lunch here also. The lunch was there. It's basically North Indian food for lunch. For dinner, we have ordered Chinese.
So it's day
3.
3 and we are leaving.
The final day.
Final day, and we have packed up her bag. But before that, since this is like an aqua stay, they have an aquarium here, so we're going to go check out the aquarium after lunch, because by the time we get ready, it's already like 2. Okay. Atta, you feed Atta.
Let's usually take this and roast it and dry it, and then it becomes the black. Okay, I had an amazing trip here. It was so good. I'm just so sad that the trip is gonna end.
We spent 2.5 days in Yelagiri. It was a beautiful time. We enjoyed every minute of it.
Oh, I loved it.
Oh, it was like getting out of jail.
It was a lovely vacation. This was the first out of station vacation that we had since the corona. Someone is asking where are we going, and we are going downhill, and we are going to go back home to Chennai. So that's the video, guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Please keep watching. Check out the video, guys. Yes, and also follow Sashika on Instagram, and she's a good content creator, and you guys should definitely follow her.
Where are we going?
We are going back home now. So that's the video, guys. Bye.